Hello, I welcome you once again in online teaching. Today we will study next paragraph, Fight Manju Fight, which is written by Sigrun Srivastav. Some of the paragraph we discussed in the previous lecture, and today we will discuss rest paragraph. So now open page number 25. See first paragraph. Mr. Parelkar pushed his glasses up and glanced at Manjula's work. Well done. Very good. A nice picture. See what all you can do. Now see, when Manjula's father saw, means he pay a small attention the picture which is made by Manjula, he became impressed and he gave a good remark. Nice picture. See what all you can do. Even though he did not look at her hands, those claw-like malformed fingers, she knew what he meant. She swallowed dryly. Something inside her painfully. She knew the pain. She was used to it. Keep it up, her father keep it up. Her father patted her, sitting in his favorite chair with the newspaper. He inquired, "Is the tea ready?" So, after watching the picture, Mr. Parelkar, he was very surprised that his daughter is too good in painting, and he told, enough, this is the enough, whatever she made. He did not think about her malformed finger. She knew what he meant, and he became able to know that with the malformed finger, whatever she had made, it is good. After that, Manjula swallowed dryly. Swallow means when she was just trying to eating her lips, means she was making round and round her lips. Dryly means without spoken something. Something inside her twisting painfully. She knew the pain. She was used to it. And how does she prepare? How does Manjula prepare the painting? It was really painful because her fingers were not supporting, as well as a unshaped finger means the shaped finger can support for a person. मीन्स कि जिसका हाथ सही से काम ना कर रहा हो, सही से वो ब्रशेस को पकड़ ना पा रहा हो, कैच ना कर पा रहा हो, वो कितनी मुश्किल से उसको कैच किया होगा और उसको ड्रॉ किया होगा, कलर किया होगा. ठीक है, तो ये जो दर्द है only can be realized by Manjula, and her father told him Keep it up means just do try, don't leave it. And then her father patted him. Patted means थपथपाना, शाबाशी देना. And he started reading newspaper, and he inquired, is the tea ready? Means he asked that is his tea is ready. Why don't you frame it? Cried her brother Anmol, snatching the seat from Manjula's hands. Or why don't you sell it? Raising it over his head, he imitated an auctioneer. 2,000 rupees. Who bids more? 2001, 2002. So there is a word auctioneer. Auctioneer means नीलामी में, जैसे कि जो बोली लगाती है किसी चीज़ का, खरीदार जो लोग होते हैं, तो नीलामी जो होती है उसको ऑक्शनर बोलते हैं, जहाँ नीलाम किया जाता है. सो व्हाई डोंट यू फ्रेम इट? सो मंजुला's brother advised Manjula that you have to frame your paintings and you have to made so for the auction. Raising it over his head, he imitated an auctioneer. और वो जैसे कि नीलामी में बोली लगाने का काम होता है, वो नीलामी में बोली लगा रहा था कि जैसे वो पेंटिंग का खरीदार हो. 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003 इस तरह से वो नीलामी लगा रहा था. Amol, his mother warned him, put that painting down at once. Tell me, have you finished your homework? Then Manjula's mother, she asked Anmol, just you put down your painting. You put down the painting which is made by Manjula, and she asked, have you done your homework? Have you completed or not? The word homework was enough to sober Amol. He crept to his room. The word homework was enough to sober. Sober means sober means सिसकी लेना. So Anmol was sobbing after listening that has he completed his work or not. And he crept to his room, and then he went to his room. Crept means रेंगना. फिर वो अपने रूम में चल दिया. Manjula returned to her brushes and paints and drifted into another world. Drifted means moved away, go away. Means कि जहाँ आप हैं वहाँ से आगे चले. So Manjula returned to her brushes and paints and drifted into another world. और फिर जो मंजुला है, then she started painting. She took brushes and paints. A brighter world of glowing color, beautiful forms and perfect shapes, the world where she wanted to belong so desperately. Nobody had asked Manjula Parelkar what she wanted for her 13th birthday, but she got all she had secretly wished for. So, means the Manjulas, after that she started painting and she took her brushes, and by using it she framed a beautiful painting, and she was trying to go in the another world. Means she wanted to come out of the gloomy world. Gloomy means उदासी भरे जीवन. तो वो अपने उदासी भरे जीवन से निकालना चाहते थे. And then nobody had asked Manjula Parelkar what she wanted for her 13th birthday. And Manjula, she was very care that anyone will come and ask her about her 13th birthday, but nobody came and asked. But she planned something for her birthday. She has some wished for her birthday. Oh, mummy, mummy, cried Manjula overhand. A set of artist watercolors. Thank you so much. Oh, mummy, mummy, cried Manjula overhand. Overhand means overcame by emotions. Means suppose you are crying or beaten by someone and someone came near to you and pacify you. जैसे कि आप किसी प्रॉब्लम में हो या मार खाए हों, रो रहे हों और आपको कोई आकर के सांत्वना दे, नहीं बेटा मार खा गए बहुत ज़्यादा, तो ये सब क्या होता है, जैसे कि आप अपनी भावनाओं के द्वारा किसी को जोड़ लें. तो ऐसे सेम वे में मंजुला overwhelmed and she was crying, mummy, mummy. A set of artist watercolor. Thank you so much. So a set of colors was given by her mother, and after that she was very happy. And this is from your father. The mother passed a book in her hands, and one of the books was given by her father. Painting step by step, and this book belongs to Step by Step. This is the name of the book. Also you become very aware of this one because we use in this our school, means in the DAV also there is a book Step by Step to learn the painting. Manjula jumped in excitement, her dark eyes shining with happiness. Oh papa, I could have never dreamt of this. And after getting such a book and painting colors box, Manjula realized that she had never thought about that. So she became too emotional and she had never thought about this in her dream. You'd not have dreamed of this present either, said her brother with a mischievous smile, holding out a big parcel tightly wrapped and knotted. Manjula eyed it suspiciously. Sometimes she was not too sure whether her brother was mischievous or simply mean. You'd not have dreamed of this present either, said her brother with a mischievous smile. So his brother, he was telling, means Amul, he was telling that you had never thought about this present. So Manjula was not able to understand that her brother is a mischievous or naughty one. So he rapped and noted. Manjula eyed it suspiciously. Sometimes he was not sure. So we have discussed this one. Now come to next paragraph. But she would not be mean on her birthday. She began undoing the tight knots and took off the wrapper only to find another knot staring at her. She hated unknotting parcels. Why did her brother do this to her? So, but he would not be mean on her birthday. So, everyone has given some present for Manjula. One of the presents also given by her naughty, means mischievous brother. But she was not understanding that why did he wrapped the things again and again. She hated noting parcels. Why did her brother do this to her? And she was just trying to understand that why his brother is doing so. Bring her the scissors, she heard her father's voice from behind. And then, bring her the scissors, she heard her father's voice from behind. And his father means Manjula's father was telling that bring the scissors. Why asked Amol offended, is it not it fun? And then Amol said, why is it a fun? It was not fun, it was sheer torture. However, she struggled on with the knots, all 11 of them, when finally she managed to unravel the last one. She found a little box with a slip of paper inside. She knew what would be written on it. Sorry, better luck next time. It was just like a mole, though he was only a year younger. Sometimes he felt 100 years older than him. Read it, he urged. It was not fun, it was sheer torture. Torture means cruelty, means unkind. It was not fun. So his brother was telling that it is not a fun. It was sheer torture. Means it was just like a behave with the cruelty with the Manjula. However, she struggled on with knots, all 11 of them. When finally she managed to unravel the last one, she found a little box with a slip of paper inside. So, what the presents was given by her brother Amol, it was wrapping again and again. But when Manjula wrapped it up, finally she got a little box with a slip paper. She knew what would be written on it, and then after she came to know what has been written. Sorry, better luck. And it was written, sorry, better luck next time. So he was only a younger. So her brother was only younger 1 year, but it was seeming sometimes like he is 100 years old. Read it, he asked, and it was written something that you read it. She read, look for the next clue under your pillow. And then she read that something was written that please look for the next clue under your pillow. There is something written under your pillar, or something has been kept under your pillow. Oh no, cried Manjula, but her brother pulled her to her bedroom. But Manjula said, no, I'm not going to my bedroom. But her brother pulled her. Pulled means khichna. So pulled her to her bedroom. He then lifted the pillow for her, and there, tied with the pink ribbon, lay their watercolor brushes. And there was something kept. What was this? Pink ribbon, 3 watercolor and brushes. So these were the things which have been given by her brother, and it was kept under the pillow. Sybil here, said her brother, artist quality. She studied the new book from cover to cover and soon used up all her papers. She knew for good watercolors painting she needed a special watercolor paper, but that was expensive. And then, after getting the watercolors, Manjula realized that whatever she wanted to do the paintings, the watercolor papers are very costly, so it was something strange for her. Mummy, she told her brother, pointing at the thin, wobbly paper, I could do much better paintings on real watercolor paper. Why do you think? So, Mummy, she told her mother, means whenever she told to bring the special watercolor paintings, then Mummy, her mother, pointing that why you could do something better paintings on the water paper, you can do something good on the water paper color or special water color paper. It depends upon you. You are right, replied her mother. But oh, what a wonderful painting. You have improved a lot. I shall talk to your papa today. And one of the also painting which is made by Manjula. This was very beautiful, and after watching that her mother impressed her and she told, I will talk to your father and I shall show it. So for today that is enough, and if you have any problem, any paragraph which you did not get, so ask me, discuss it in the group.